All right, Forex market traded a day, ladies and gentlemen. We're back. It's Wednesday today, and we got the Euro-Japanese yen right at the center of our attention. We found a very interesting technical situation here that we just couldn't resist, and I wanted to talk about it a little bit and lay down our game plan. So here's the technical situation, guys. I mean, we've been looking at the Euro-Japanese yen for quite some time, and we designated 160.27 as the main breakdown point, as the last line of defense, last line of support, and that level got broken a few days ago. But it didn't just get broken, it got broken with a weekly close confirmation. Right now you're looking at the daily chart. I'm going to switch the weekly chart to concur what I've just said. But I just want to talk a little bit about the daily time scale. Because from here we can also see how price action in the last 48 hours came back to test that 160.27 level. I mean, if you take a close look, here's what happened. Price action closed right on 160.27 a few days ago. And then over the weekend, what we saw was a huge gap, right? Price action literally jumped above 160.27 and landed right here at 158.20. Then it went up hard, right? But it came straight to that 160.27 to retest that level from below, making sure it's a solid resistance now after being broken, right? It was a support, but now seems to be switching to being resistance, and it's pushing price action back downwards, right? So that's how it looks from the daily perspective. This is how it looks like from the weekly perspective. Check this out. This is the huge gap I was talking about. Price action literally jumping over and then coming back, testing that 160.27 from below and getting rejection. Now we already know that price action has been trading sideways ever since early August 2024. So that's like half a year, right? 6 months. It's been trading back and forth in this pretty wide range. Nevertheless, it is very defined. So now coming off the top, because we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Back and forth. Now price action seems to be on the back foot, on the downside, building up the sixth leg, going again back towards the lower section of that range. So the gap and the breakdown below 160.27 is our trigger to chase the part from 160.27 to 156.65. That's the next big significant key level support that we've seen in action not too long ago, right? Around early December 2024, we've had price action landing pretty hard until it hit that 156.65 and then bounced off and completely turned around into a full-fledged upside reversal. That's why we're designating 156.65 as our primary target and potentially final destination. Now, we already fired off the first trade. I'm going to take you to the dashboard, to the trading platform, and let's double up our position size. Let's go right ahead and do that. All right, so here we go. I'm going to give you a better overview on this here. This is the trading platform, and you can already see we have a position in place on the Euro-Japanese yen. We fired off this position just yesterday, right? We got in at 160.08. Right now, price action is at 159.46. So this position is registering a nice $400 profit, but that's just the beginning, right? We're just warming up. we're going to get more aggressive here, especially given the technical situation that I've just described and I just explained and showed exactly what was going down. I feel like this is good timing for us to double up our position size, so let's go right ahead and do that. We're talking about a new order. We're talking about a new order where we're gonna be firing off, pulling the trigger on one lot. We already have one lot in, but we're gonna be doubling up. Like I said, we're gonna use the same stop loss level, which is 162.20, and that's probably also needs to be adjusted, readjusted. Probably that's our next move, by the way, tighten up our stop loss level a little bit, but for now we're going to use the same stop loss level and we're going to use the same profit target, which is 156.65. There you go. And boom, we're pulling the trigger and doubling up our position size on the Euro Japanese yen. I'm really excited to follow up on this one, come back, keep you posted. In the meantime, guys, that's the end of it for now. Wishing you a nice trading day. We're going to be back tomorrow as usual. So till then, be well.